Hey guys, as always, thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to show you the Pixelcade LCD mount for the Game Room Solutions 43-inch cabinet. So this is the Pixelcade LCD. That's the front, and just to give you a feel for what the back looks like. So this is the back side. Note there are two ways you can order this. You can order this with the Pixelcade system and software. That includes this board. In some cases, some people like Big Box. Big Box has their own built-in marquee, for example, marquee feature. So you could order it without this, take off a little bit of money, and then just plug in your own HDMI input here. So that is an option. Let's go ahead and flip it back over. So the way this is going to mount is it is going to bolt on to the back of your Game Room Solutions 43-inch using these holes right here. So you're going to use these included wood screws, and you're basically going to, I highly recommend drilling some pilot holes first, and then you're basically just going to use these wood screws and screw them in, and that will basically attach this to the marquee wood, so this will be nice and sturdy. And then the Game Room Solutions has quite a wide, I think 40 inches to be exact, wide marquee area. This is 31 inches. So what we're going to need to do is fill the gap. So it also comes with these side pieces. And so you want to center this guy. So this is centered. Let me just scoot it over here so you can see what the side looks like. And then basically you're going to need to fill the gap on both sides. So it comes with this side piece on the right side, and then the same piece on the left side. So just for the sake of this video, I'll just show you the right side. So you're then going to screw this in as well. So same thing, use these to screw that into the marquee. So it's going to be like so. Oh, sorry, I also forgot. Let's show you. So at this point, once you've screwed this in, you would attach the front bezel. So here is the bezel. And then once the bezel's attached, you would then put this side piece here, and then there's another side piece bezel. So that's how it's going to look. You are going to see that seam here. So some people have asked about that. So you are going to see the seam. It's going to basically show up like that. Now I have the masking tape on here right now. So this is black matte. This is black matte. It just looks a little different here because you have the masking tape. But trust me, once you remove the masking tape, I always ship it with the masking tape on because I don't want it to get scratched. That's how it's going to look. And then the way these attached is you basically just use these little thumb screws here like so. So let's just go ahead and do it. Comes with a little hex key tool that looks like this, and you just basically hand tighten those guys like so. Right. But again, you got to make sure that you attach it to your marquee wood using those wood screws first before you put on the bezel cover. That lined up there. Stubborn guy. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you've got that. Then again, you're going to do this piece here, and then repeat, same thing like this, and then do the same thing on the left side. And then the other thing I want to show you is this is a protruding mount. So the Game Room Solutions marquee height is not high enough to make this a flush mount. So it is going to protrude out. And so that means when you're looking at it from the side, you're going to see it like this. So what we also do is we include this little side piece cover. So let me just show you how that works. Basically, this will just attach with friction. So there's no gluing or anything like that. So when you're looking at it from the side, you don't see the gap. It'll look like a nice little enclosed box like so. So envision looking at this from again, this is also black matte if I take the masking tape off. So the side view you're going to see like this. You're not going to see it like this. If I didn't have that piece, then you'd kind of see it in the middle, and they got a lot of feedback. People didn't want that. So that's what this little side piece is for. And again, it just just attaches via friction, and you just kind of push it down and it's nice and sturdy. It's not going to come off. So that is the Game Room Solutions 43-inch mount. Hope that was helpful, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, just reach out and let us know.